It is absolutely essential that everyone has access to health care, and our universal public system is the best way to do that. We just have to make sure it's properly funded, which is why we're stepping up with $6 billion today that is going to send more money for diagnostics, for the work people are doing to reduce the backlog that has accumulated both during this pandemic and was already accumulating before. We know that we need to invest more money in healthcare, and we need to work with the provinces to improve data sharing and outcomes for Canadians across the country. Those are the conversations we're going to have, and this announcement today doubles down on the Liberal Party's commitment to public universal healthcare at the same time as we've seen Aaron O'Toole double down on his belief in a two-tiered private for-profit system.
Let me be perfectly clear. I 100% support our public and universal healthcare system. In fact, it's been the backbone we've relied on through the pandemic and the frontline workers in it. That's why in our plan, in Canada's recovery plan, we're giving an additional $60 billion to secure that public healthcare system. What is very disappointing is in an election that was called by Mr. Trudeau in the midst of a fourth wave, amidst fires in BC, amidst the chaos in Afghanistan. He's dividing and misleading Canadians on a daily basis. And with their social media yesterday, they're importing American-style misleading politics. I think Canadians deserve better than that.
Yeah, it's really troubling. Just to highlight the question, we've got the Liberal Party putting out misinformation, spreading it online, to the point that Twitter had to flag it. We have long called for an end to misinformation, and the government needs to be very vigilant with clear laws around how that information should not be allowed to be spread, how it should be removed. We've also tied that into online hate speech. A lot of the radicalization of people and online hate is based on information that's wrong, that's false, that's spread, and that creates in people this, that increases the sentiment of hate. This is the wrong thing to do. This is completely wrong. And New Democrats are absolutely opposed to it and want to see very strong laws in place that do not allow misinformation to be spread. And we need to be taking an active role in the removal and the flagging of this type of information. It is really disconcerting, though, that the current party in power is engaging in exactly what we need to be ending.